Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and ZIP archives on Motorola Moto E6s. And to do this we'll need to open our RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. Next is to find the files that we'll be packing, and here on DCIM I should find them. Go for the file, select it with the icon next to it, then press on this plus button. You should enter archiving options. You can change any options right here, but it's not necessary to create a simple RAR file, so I'm just gonna go with OK. And that way we created our first RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.